Alright, Waterloo boy. 2 3/4 is a project. It has good Lukenheimer tag, pulley, crank guard, gear guard, another pulley, bad gas tank, bad weld on the rocker. Head and everything else seems alright. So, it is a project. Anybody's interested, let me know. I've never got to it. I need room. I gotta move some things. So, alright. That's about it. I'm gonna kill it before it slides off. It's too close to my Titan, but anyway, this is this side. Let's see. Flywheels running pretty true. That is it. Rust included. Upgraded poly. High-tech fuel tank included, free of charge. With it appear to be a custom mounting bracket. But oiler and everything you see on it will stay. So that is it. Take care. Thanks for looking.